Good afternoon, everyone. It's Carol here from aquahaven747.com. In today's video, I would like to share with you how we DIY'd this very budget walkway behind me. If that is something that you are interested in, please keep watching and I'll see you at the end. So, finally started getting my walkway made back here from guest suite number 2. What we've done is we've taken a string to outline the shape of it, and then I used some inverted paint to spray over top of it. And I think we're going to do 3 feet across and just make it equal all the way around. And yeah, Michael's going to start trying to dig up all this sod, and I got some screening to go in afterwards, but I'll show you step by step. So here we are with the cutout walkway, and Michael has tamped things down with the cement block and this big wood block over there, and now he's putting the weed fabric and screening down. Well, Michael's at it early this morning. It's supposed to be thunderstorms later today, and he wanted to finish it up. Doing it the old-fashioned way, by shovel, by hand, and spreading out the screening. He's got a thin layer on all of it now, but we'll be building that up so that it's at least a couple more inches thick. And yeah, finally getting my walkway. So here is the completed walkway. I actually had it finished a few months ago. My son did this for me for a very budget DIY project. This is a temporary project as far as I'm concerned. It's what I can afford right now, and eventually I would like to get concrete poured for it if I'm still here. A few years from now, we'll see. One thing I would do differently, or if you were to make one, I would advise you to get a better quality weed control liner. I just got the cheap weed fabric, and I did have weeds coming through after a few months, and I just finished pulling them all. But that is that. So I hope you found this video helpful if this is something you're considering doing, and I will see you in the next one.